The introduction of the new 1.6 litre i-dtec engine is the next step in the expansion of the Civic range. We're delighted and proud that it's going to be manufactured here at the European facility in Swindon in the UK. Earlier this year, we installed a brand new diesel engine production line at our factory. This underlines the importance for the new small diesel engine series of meeting our European sales plans. The new diesel production line is capable of producing 500 engines a day. Over a 2-shift pattern, that means one engine every 138 seconds. As well as producing the new 1.6 litre diesel engine, we'll also be producing the existing 2.2 litre diesel engine. The new 1.6 litre diesel engine has been specifically designed for the European market. This will satisfy the growing demand from our customers for low CO2 emissions. So it only seems fitting to build an engine for Europe in Europe.